Hi, in front of me is TECLAST P20HD, and today I would like to show you how you can disable notifications from any app. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Now choose Absent Notifications, choose Notifications and scroll down again. From here you need to click on See All from last 7 days and select an app from which you want to disable notifications from, for example Chrome. So now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from this app will be turned off. You can turn them back on by tapping on the same switcher. You can also click on one of those apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!